Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw Riot from Among Us. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Riot from Among Us, we're going to begin with the mouth shape. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of come in, and then it's going to curve down. So we're going to start right here. We're just going to draw a line. It's going to go in. It's just going to curve around and come right to here. Then I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around. I'm going to go up and then down. We're going to bring this out to about here. And then I'm just going to curve it around and then bring it back. Now, starting here, I'm going to make this line go down. It's going to come straight down. This one was rounded. This one's going to come straight down. Then it's going to come back here, and it's going to start to go up. Right here, we want to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to be kind of wavy. And we're going to go right to here, and then we're going to come down. And then we're going to make this part a little wavy too, and down. Next, we want to make the teeth. So we're going to start here. It's going to be a very sharp tooth in the front, kind of big. Then it's going to be some smaller ones and then some more bigger ones kind of all over the place. We're going to go right back to the back of the mouth. Do the same thing here. We're just going to make some sharp teeth, a few random big ones in here, like that. I'm going to angle this up just a little bit. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. We're going to make it pointy and then curve it up. We're going to go in and out again, and then all the way up to here. Now I'm going to leave some space here. I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to go down and then make it come up, in and out like that. Starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that's going to come up to here. And we're going to add the back little kind of wings or flippers. This line's going to curve down, a lot shorter than the front ones. We're going to make it come to a point and up, and then bring it right in here. Then I'm just going to connect this right to here. We'll add this other one right behind here. Just draw a line that goes down and then bring it right up to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Riot from Among Us. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.